discussing about the gravitational potential energy. The gravitational potential energy of a mass in a field is defined as the work done in bringing that body from infinity to that point without acceleration. That means if a body is outside the gravitational field of another body, what is the work done in bringing that mass or that body from infinity to a point in the gravitational field of another body is defined as the gravitational potential energy of that body. Let us derive an expression. Suppose we are having a body of mass m. That body of mass m needs to be placed at a point P, which is at a distance of r from the center of the earth. That means we will see what is the work done on that mass in bringing that mass from infinity to that point. That means we will see what is the force, we will calculate what is the work done for a small displacement, then we will integrate the work done from infinity to that point, that is r. Now the gravitational force on the mass m will be equal to gmm divided by x square, because it is at a distance of x from the center. Now the small amount of work done, if it needs to be displaced from A to B by a small distance of dx, that is gmm by x square into dx. Now in order to calculate the potential energy, that is U, that will be equal to integral of this small amount of work done from infinity to r, that is equal to integral of infinity to r gmm by x square into dx. Now gmm being a constant, so it becomes gmm integral of infinity to r 1 by x square dx. The integral of 1 by x square is equal to minus 1 by x, so it comes out to be gmm into 1 by x minus 1 by x from infinity to r. So that becomes equal to gmm, giving the limits 1 by r minus 1 by infinity, as minus 1 by infinity is equal to 0, that means that is equal to gmm divided by r. So the gravitational potential energy of a body of mass m at a point P in the gravitational field of earth is equal to minus gmm by r. Now why it is minus? Because the gravitational force is an attractive type of force, that means the work is done by the field. As the work is done by the field, that means the sign will be negative, as discussed in the potential. Seeing here, the potential energy U is equal to minus gmm divided by r. Now potential at a point P is equal to minus gm by r, so potential energy is equal to Vp into m. That means the potential energy is defined as the product of potential at that point and the mass of the body that has been brought by the field from infinity to that point.